For today's kaganapan, in our baking series, I baked some Filipino ensaymada. So I top it with cheese, and then this white stuff is cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. And this is how it looks like, guys. Mga unta ninyo.